In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a project in Zoho Project. Archiving projects is a great way to keep your workspace clean and organized without permanently deleting important information. When a project is completed, instead of leaving it in your active list and cluttering your view, you can simply move it to the archive. This keeps all the data safe and still accessible if you ever need to refer back to it later. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Project account and you're on the main dashboard. At the top or on the side navigation, look for the section labeled Projects. This is where all your active projects are listed. Go ahead and click on Projects to open the full list. You should now see all the projects that are currently active in your portal. Next, find the specific project that you want to archive. Take a moment to double check that this is really the project you no longer need to keep active. Archiving is reversible in many setups, but it's still a good habit to confirm that the project is finished or no longer in use. Once you have located the correct project in the list, move your mouse over that project row. On the right side of the project name, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click on these 3 dots. This will open a small drop-down menu with different actions you can perform on that project. In the drop-down, look for the option that says Move to Archive. This is the command that tells Zoho Project to remove the project from your active list and place it in the archive section. Click on Move to Archive. When you do this, Zoho may show you a confirmation pop-up to make sure you really want to proceed, especially if the project still has open tasks or dependencies. In the confirmation window, you'll see a button that again says Move to Archive. Take a quick moment to confirm you've selected the correct project, then click on Move to Archive one more time. After you confirm, the project will be removed from your active projects list and stored in the Archive Projects area. From now on, your active